How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing the Sony FX30 cinema line. Beautiful cinematic grade camera. Just a quick note, it doesn't come with this lens here. I bought that separately, but the body of the camera actually contains the software and the main hardware that you'll need to actually get some pictures and video footage. I will show some video footage at the end of this video, just so you can get a feel for what the footage actually looks like. Full disclosure, I am a beginner, so I don't know all of the ins and outs and all of the technical specs or functionalities of this camera, but I do know just the basic abilities of it and how to work it. So as you can see, we have this record button here. That's what I primarily use because I'm not really a photographer. I'm more of a videographer or content creator. Once you get the camera on, as you can see here, this button turns the camera on and off. It is currently on the off switch. I won't turn it on for now because I have the lens protected. And it's good to keep that protected when you're not using it so you don't get dust on the lens. Honestly, those were the only two buttons I really needed, except for the occasional using this for the menu and this to adjust different settings. But it has the technical specs required for doing high level cinematic footage. It it comes with a battery and charger. The battery goes in here. You could open it up and then lock it once you're done putting the battery in. And you also need an SD card, which can handle the high level cinematic footage that you'll be getting with this camera. And that goes in this side, this compartment. And the charging port is on this side over here in one of these compartments. It's a USB-C compatible charging port. I use the given charger because you can be sure that it'll work and charge it sufficiently. And obviously this here is where you will see your footage or photos and the screen that shows all the menu options that you want to use and adjust. So that's just a high level overview of how I've used it so far.